Scale Practice in English Learning, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the concept of scale practice in English language learning. This approach can be incredibly effective in improving your language skills. So let's dive in and find out how it can benefit you. Scale practice is a learning method focused on gradual improvement. Think of it like climbing a ladder. Each rung represents a new level of complexity and challenge in language learning. We start with simple tasks and gradually move to more complex ones, ensuring a solid foundation at each step. One of the main advantages of scale practice is that it helps build confidence and competence simultaneously. By mastering simpler aspects before moving to harder ones, you're less likely to feel overwhelmed and more likely to feel motivated to continue learning. Start with basic vocabulary words and common phrases. Once comfortable, advance to more complex words and idiomatic expressions. Regular practice and revision are key. Use flashcards or apps for efficient learning. Begin with basic sentence structures. Gradually introduce more complex grammatical concepts like tenses, modal verbs, and conditional sentences. Practice by constructing sentences and short paragraphs. Start with listening to slow and clear audio materials. Progress to natural speech in movies, podcasts, and conversations. Similarly, begin speaking with simple sentences and slowly incorporate complex structures and vocabulary. For reading, start with children's books or simple articles, then move to novels and academic texts. In writing, begin with simple sentences, then advance to paragraphs, essays, and creative writing. Set realistic goals. Regularly review previous material. Use a variety of resources. Stay patient and consistent. Seek feedback from teachers or native speakers. Thank you for watching. We hope this video on scale practice helps you on your English learning journey. Remember, language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and you'll see great improvements. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.